We're here in Birdsong Studio tonight, and this is Chantel Davidson doing an interview tonight for YMM Magazine, and Chantel's going to sing a song.
This song is my mom's favorite, and it's by the lovely Taylor Swift. It's called Best Day. I'm 5 years old, it's getting cold, I've got a big coat on. I hear your laugh and look up, smiling at you. I run and run past the pumpkin patch, and the tractor rides up now. The sky is gold. I hug your legs and fall asleep on the way home. And I don't know why all the trees change in the fall, but I know that you're not scared of anything at all. Don't always know White House is near or far away, but I know I have the best day with you today. I'm 13 now and don't know how my friends can be so mean. I come home crying and you hold me tight and you grab the keys, and we drive and drive until we found a town far enough away, and we talk in a window shop until I've forgotten all their names. And I don't know who I'm gonna talk to now, it's true, but I know I'm laughing on the car ride home with you. Don't know how long it's gonna take to feel okay, but I know I had the best day with you today. I have an excellent father. His strength is making me stronger. God smiles on my little brother. Inside and out, he's better than I am. I grew up in a pretty house, and I had space to run, and I had the best days with you. There is a video I found from back when I was 3. You set up a paint set in the kitchen and you're talking to me. It's the age of princesses and pirate ships and 7 dwarves. Daddy's smart and you're the prettiest lady in the whole wide world. And now I know why all the trees change in the fall. And I know you were on my side even when I was wrong. And I love you for giving me your eyes, staying back and watching me shine. And I didn't know if you knew, so I'm taking this chance to say that I had the best day with you today.
Chantel Davidson, thank you.
Thank you.